Cha-cha-cha is very fast dance. By the way, we do 160 steps per minute. So to keep up with the music, we need to do our steps, especially basic steps, correctly.
To be able to do it, we have to pay attention for our footwork and a balance.
So let's do it. Where we keep our balance, it's very important in dancing.
So we can have three main points of the balance. Let me show you. My balance can be over the middle of the foot, slightly over the heel. So back weight balance. So it can be over the middle of the foot, or even move forward over the ball of the foot. So these three positions make a big difference in our dancing. And now let's pay attention for our footwork and a balance. In the beginning, guys, we're staying over the ball of the left foot, and ready to take step backward. Collect our feet and shooting our only foot backward on the count 2. 2, and take step forward. 3, cha-cha chassé to the right. 4 and 1. Now shoot left foot forward. 2, take step backward. 3 and 4 and 1. Let's make sure we are keeping our weight on the middle of the foot, slightly over the ball of the foot on each step. And let's repeat it one more time. 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. So guys, this is a basic step of cha-cha-cha. You can dance and practice this side by side or in the close position. And this is our close position. Man staying on the left, lady staying on the right. And in the beginning, guys, you are taking step backward with the correct balance on the right foot, lady taking left foot forward. And 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1.